I'm sure you've heard the news. The future is here and it's cleaner than ever. Meet Mikkiwash, the high-tech washing solution from Mikkigarmi that's revolutionizing home care. Meet Mikkiwash, the revolutionary washing solution from Mikkigarmi, powered by innovative nanobot technology. These aren't just any bots, they're Mikkibots, your tiny, tireless heroes waiting silently in your machine. The moment they detect a drip or feel a clog, these Mikkibots spring into action. They navigate the nooks and crannies of your washing machine with precision, ensuring each component functions perfectly without you lifting a finger. With advanced sensors, Mikkibots monitor water flow, pressure, and temperature, catching issues before they escalate. That means no more emergency calls to the plumber and no more unexpected breakdowns. Just seamless, efficient operation day in, day out. And there's more. While you spend time with your family or focus on your career, Mikkibots are diligently at work. They not only clean and maintain your washing machine but also extend its life, ensuring peak performance for years to come. Join the smart home revolution. Embrace the future with Mikkiwash. It's not just about clean clothes, it's about giving you peace of mind and more freedom to enjoy life's important moments. Mikkigarmi isn't just creating products, we're engineering a new standard of living. Mikkigarmi, where innovation meets home comfort. Embrace a world where your appliances are as intelligent as they are essential. Welcome home to the future.